I'm Jenny G. Jackson.
My name is Ahmad. I'm one of the founding members of SolarMySchool. We're here in sunny Denver, Colorado.
At this beautiful co-working space called The Battery.
That just got solar installed on the roof, so let's go check it out.
It sure is a beautiful sunny day up here. Hey Ahmad, tell us about what you see.
It's about 3 p.m. and right now what you're seeing here are panels that are each individually about 3 feet wide by 5 feet long, strung together in series wiring of about 5 panels at a time. So what's happening is that the DC power from all of these solar tiny little cells about this big are strung together in 5 big solar panels, and then that wire runs down into an inverter where that direct current energy is actually being then converted into alternating current energy, or AC power. And right now, these panels are generating enough energy to power those air conditioners that keeps this building nice and cool for people to work in. What's really cool is that right now, it's the peak solar hours of the day when all these other buildings are using power from coal and natural gas. Mostly, this building is being powered nearly 100% by the peak solar production hours. We see peak solar hours normally between 10 a.m. and 3 or 4 p.m. And at night, when the sun goes down, then the building will go back to using energy from the utility company.
Wow, I wonder what else solar can do. It seems like the possibilities are endless.